Alright, this one's going to be on mymc. It's a Python 2 program to convert PlayStation 2 memory cards. So I'm using the PlayStation 2 over Samba Share, and you can actually create virtual memory cards. However, some of the games I'm playing, they don't have all the characters unlocked, so that's why we're doing this thing here. Anyways, how you use this thing here? Alright. So if you are using Samba Share or like a virtual memory card, OPL, aka the Open PlayStation 2 Loader, will actually generate a blank memory card here, like this one here, right? So it says the game ID in a .bin format, right? So the .bin here is a virtual memory card, or they call it VMC, and what we're gonna do is dump the save files into it. So in this case, this one is a the game SSX3, and is in a XPS format here, right? And how we use this program. So this program here, you can get it from, what's that website? It's GitHub here. All you gotta do is let me see here. Let me go back a little bit here. All you gotta do is do git clone, and that's how you would download the program, but I already did it, so it doesn't matter, right? So what is that? Feedback. There we go. We have our program here, and this program is really old, so that's why it's using Python 2, more specifically 2.7 here. And we type in mymc.py here, and you can actually do a help page here, so -h, right? And so these are some of the options it has. They do have a GUI, but like I said, this is an old program, so it actually doesn't start if you try to use the GUI. Let's see here, right? So it doesn't work, but you can do all the other stuff from the command line, and that's what I'm going to show you. Basically, we're going to do like listing out some stuff, and we're going to do import export, right? Export, import, art vandelay style, and that's pretty much all we're going to do for this one here. So this is a command line program, really easy to use here. So all you gotta do is type in what was that, Python py, and now you're gonna point it to the path of your blank memory card. So in this case, this one is generated by OPL. I'll show you that in a minute, but we're gonna take the path here, the full path here, just because this is not a a properly installed program, it's just a downloaded program. We'll put in quotes for some of the newbies out there. You make sure if there's a space in it, then you want to put in quotes, right? And that's it. That's the path of my VMC, aka my virtual memory card. And now I want to dump in the was it save file, right? This SSX here. So you gotta do is import, and then we do SSX here, right? And that's all you gotta do. Look at this, and then it's gonna dump this folder inside of that memory card. I already did it, that's why it says directory exists here, right? But that's an example, and that's pretty much how you would dump it. So so like I said, if you're using this on OPL, I'm gonna show you how to generate one and all that. So let me turn on my webcam. Let's go webcam. So here we go. This is OPL, and right now I'm on this game called Marvel vs. Capcom, and you can see right there at the bottom, options. You have to hit triangle. So that's what we do when hit triangle. All right, and in here you see that it says configure VMC. This is your virtual memory card, and right here you can put a slot 1 or slot 2. Since my FMCB card is on slot 2, I don't want to use that. I just use slot 1 for regular memory cards, right? So slot 1, we hit X on this, and here it'll auto generate the game ID, and it'll be on 0. 0 meaning the first slot, right? And you can actually change this to a different memory card size if you want. Like let's say I want 32 or something like that, right? But if you want more compatibility, like since I'm doing this over Samba Share, the compatible ones is usually the 8 megabyte ones, right? Anyways, that's all you gotta do, and then we're gonna hit create here, and that's it, right? It's gonna generate us a new one, and then we're gonna hit OK here, And that's it. Now it's gonna use that memory card, virtual memory card there, when it boots up, right? Hit OK. And if you want to make save changes, because we want to make sure that OPL always use the virtual memory card when it plays this game, right? So we hit save changes here. Oh, other options if you want to do. Should I talk about that right now? Yeah, let's go talk about that right now. Why not? If you go to what is that? If you hit start here where it says menu, right? If you want to use an existing one, you have to go into settings here, and make sure you go here where it says write operations. Make sure you turn it on, because by default it's off. So you turn that on, and then you hit OK. Right here, and then you go down here, and then save changes. Mainly because some of the options in here might be graded off. Like if you go in here, right, some of these options later on it might be graded off, like as modify and delete stuff here, it'll be graded off. So that's why if you have write permissions, you can actually go in here and use an existing one that you already have on your Samba share. Anyways, that's a little more in detail on that one here later on. Well, that's it. We generated one. And so what do we do next? Let me close off this webcam for now, and we go back here. And so it generates us this new one here, right? This SLS 204 here. This is Marvel's Capcom, right? And so we can do the same thing. Look at this here. This is a blank one. You can see we can confirm it here. How do we confirm it? Actually, let me do this one. YP. To confirm this is a blank one, let me see here. We'll plus this here, and I'm going to do dir. Right, it's blank, and you can see you can do ls too, blank, right? It has nothing in there, as opposed to the other one. What was the other one? B. I'm going to do 2. This one. Oh shoot! What the hell am I doing? I need to copy the whole full path. See, this one, it was not empty. What the hell is that? This one's not empty. Let me see if we do dir here, right? This one has the SSX3 here, right? And you can see that if I ls it, it'll say the path also, right? So this one's not empty, the one that we did earlier. But the new one is, what's the new one? 204, what was that? There you go, this one, right? Right, this one's empty, like I said, the one that we just generated with our OPL. And so we can do the same thing that we did with the other one, right? This one is, so the other one was XPS files. This one is a max files for Marvel's Capcom. So pretty easy here. This one's 204, and we want to import it. Import this Marvel versus Capcom Max here, right? And look at that, we just dumped that folder, or what they call it, a save file folder here, into that empty memory card that we generated. And now if we do the dir thing again, you can see that it says now it has the Marvel's Capcom inside it, right? And that's how you would dump you know, a memory card, or they call it importing, exporting stuff, right? And that's it. That's all you got to do in here, right? So now that we have it up, I think we can let me refresh it here. Let's see, let's go and let's just reboot it just in case. Accept. And then now let me turn on the webcam again once it boots up. But yeah, this thing is great, because I'm using this to run all my games over Samba. And and you know, I'm gonna have like a, well, right now I'm on my sitting station, but I'm gonna have one for like on my bed, so I can play over Samba. And all my save files, the one that's supported, it's just gonna be over Samba share as well, so that would be convenience. I don't have to have multiple memory cards for all these games, right? So what we do here, so let's go back to that one here. Where's the Marvel's Capcom? Capcom. What the hell is that? Maybe V. There you go. Alright, and just to verify, we can go to triangle again, and this one should save all the settings. There you go, right? It has all our settings here. Alright, so let's go back, and now I'm going to start the game, and it should have all the characters if we've done it right. Let's see if we have any sound. Okay, that's good enough. Is it even loading? Alright, there we go. Again, guys, this is loading over Samba share. More specifically, Samba version 1. Okay, shut the fuck up. Hurry up. So yeah, arcade mode here. And look at that, they have all the characters on the side here, right? Look at that. And that's how you know it works. What was this guy? Ken? Had to unlock that guy? Guys, this is like ghetto using this is like ghetto using the webcam. If you know of a good capture card for Linux that's cheap, like maybe like 20 or 30 bucks, let me know in the comment section, right? But that's it. You can have all your save files, you know, that people upload, converted to, you know, your virtual memory card. So a little bit more things that you can do with this. What was that? So this one, like I said, uses Python 2.7. The GUI don't work because I think some of the requirements doesn't exist on Linux, modern Linux anymore. But maybe someone could do like a flat pack and they have like all the dependencies for it. That'd be great for, you know, the newbies that want to use the GUI on Linux. But anyways, what do you need to do in here? So the supported memory card formats, .ps2. I think that's what the PCSX2 emulator uses. But in OPL, they generate a .bin file, right? That's the one that we're using here. So I think it's similar, but they just name it differently for the extension. Now, as far as the import save formats, they'll have like, there's ones in Max format, there's one in PSU, you know, all these other ones. That you can actually find these ones on what is this, GameFAQs? Was that GameSpot.com here? They have a bunch of saves for PS2 there, and they're using these type of formats here, right? So any of those you can actually, you know, import into using this program. You can actually export too, so you can actually export it to PSU. This one is like the real memory card. The real PS2 memory card uses this one here, right? So you can actually do that too. So I'm gonna show you an example of that if you want. So let's say, for example, here. We have this file, right? And we want to export it. Like I said before, we have this thing here, right? We have inside it, there's this folder in here for Marvel vs. Capcom. If you have other save files in there, then I'll show you more. But for our example, we only have one. So you got to do the same thing. Look at this. Here we go. That, and we go export, right? We go export. And all you gotta do is copy this name here, right, of that folder, save folder directory, and you can see it will output that one right now, right? And now it's gonna be in a .psu format. If you want it in a different format, like I said, it supports Max files also, right? And the only thing that's difference between that is that this one's a -m. Right, a -m here, and now that one would be like a compressed version, so you can actually save a little space if you use the .max here. But this PSU one here, this one is actually a real format for the PS2 memory card, so you can actually use this one, the PSU, and if you want to transfer it to like a real PS2 memory card, you can actually put that in a flash drive, and then boot up, was that ULaunch ELF, and then just copy, and then what's it called, PSU paste it into a real memory card, and then it'll be on an actual, you know, PS2 memory card for you to use, so you don't have to use a virtual memory card. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the program that I want to talk about, and this has been great because you know, there's a lot of programs for Windows, but there was none for Linux, and this one happens to still work if you have Python 2.7 installed, which I think you can get in on any repositories, even if, you know, Python 3 is the default nowadays. Anyways, that's the program, and if you want to use it either on your emulator or on a real PS2 console using OPL here, that'll be it for this one.